So what we're going to do now is we're going to stick these pieces, which if I do that you can see they're really tight to the edge, and then we're going to have them so that they're stuck just outside the pencil line like that, so that if you see the pencil line it's sitting just outside it, and that way when that's stuck there and that's stuck there you'll be able to put this in and then it'll slide in and hold in place nice and tightly. So all you do is you get your glue and you make a little bead along the end of the smaller piece. Just going to have to take the top off here. Here we go. So a little bead of glue all the way along here. Here we go. And what I have done before, which might be useful for some people, is to actually just steal some of that glue, because you don't need too much of it, like that. And I'm going to stick one on the section, I'm zooming in here now, so it's sitting just above the pencil line. So can you see where I'm going? Just above the pencil line. And I'm sticking it down. I'm just checking the pencil line, and you can use a ruler even to make sure that it's not actually on the pencil line, which mine isn't. And then I'm going to do the same just over here in the corner, just like that, and just away from the pencil line. And that allows you then, when that's dry, so this is the if you like, inside the model. Here's the outside, pops it in and sits in really nicely. There we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move that down just slightly so it's a slightly easier fit. This definitely needs to be sitting on the bottom. You can of course put this on the other side, but once it's dry it sticks in and sits on really comfortably and securely, like so. Boom. The most important one to make sure that is absolutely straight is this one on the bottom. Make sure that that's really keenly lined up and in the middle, because obviously all the model's sitting next to it, or on it rather. All the weight of this is sitting on this little hinge here. And I've also used wood glue rather than any other glue, PVA or whatever, because it is wood against wood and it does need to be strong. But if you notice, look, this is already quite secure and I'm not having to clamp it in place. You can clamp it in place, but I've not had to. Hope that's been useful.